Welcome back to 4K Motoring. Today we just have a technology video for you.
We're going to be comparing microphones on our GoPros. We have a Media Mod with a standalone microphone, just the Media Mod microphone that's built in, and a standard microphone that's built into the GoPro.
Right. So as you guys know, the GoPro itself, when you buy it, has a couple little microphones built in. They're mostly for active noise cancellation. There's only one that's really recording your voice at all times, but there's no real wind protection on them. They're not really directional, so the sound can be kind of bland, and it can't really differentiate somebody talking from background noise.
Yeah, sometimes it can cut out when it shouldn't.
Right. So we went to the Media Mod, and that has been, at least I've noticed that that's been improved pretty greatly with just the directional microphones. The fact that it has the sound, the windsock that goes over it, but it has a front and rear microphone. As I recently found, you can select which one is recording at the time.
Yes.
And that seems to have gotten a lot better, voice. It comes through a whole lot better.
Yeah, it is when you're driving in the car and trying to talk. When I did my video a couple weeks ago on the 911, and the second half of the video I couldn't even upload because you couldn't hear me talking.
Right.
So we're actually in the market also for some wireless microphones.
Right.
But we're trying to figure out now what.
Yeah.
In the meantime, what works best.
So I don't know if you guys have come across this as well, but there's a bunch of different options as far as sound goes for the GoPros. The Media Mod itself, which we'll put a link here for, it retails for what, $80-$90 from GoPro.
Yeah, I think you can find it on sale for $70
right.
once in a while.
Not overly cheap for what it is, but that does allow you to plug in a bunch of different microphones to that. So if you have...
And it would be necessary also to do a wireless microphone as far as to be synced. You could use the wireless microphone standalone, but then you'd have to sync the audio manually with the video.
Right. So this is a little bit nicer. It's all just one file, and then it's convenient for editing. It just saves you a bunch of time. So what we're talking with right now, we've got two GoPros, both the Hero 9 Black side by side. Same room, same discussion. We're switching back and forth here. One of them is just the standard microphone, and then one of them we are using this wired, just cheap clip-on microphone that's right near us.
Yep, and all right, now this is the one with just the Media Mod on the front-facing microphone. And this will be a good comparison between just the Media Mod by itself with the standalone GoPro.
Right. I do often find myself using just the Media Mod because I can just set it and forget it. I'm not tied to a cable that's now strangling me or getting caught and stuff. I like to have just the camera sat somewhere where I can still get decent audio, whether in the car or in the garage, wherever it is, and still pick up decent audio without a lot of background noise.
This is also inside my living room in a controlled environment with no background noise, no background engine noise, no wind noise.
So this is really just a voice quality of direct recording. We're arm's length from the cameras right now, so it's not like we're recording across a room. Obviously you can see where the issues would be having a camera mounted microphone in that in that scenario. But as far as just straight audio quality, what picks up voice well, how it sounds, what range it has, I think I've noticed the Media Mod versus the standard microphone has had a decent improvement, but I've not done a lot of work with the wired mic yet.
And if for our future microphone purchase, if you guys have any recommendations that you've tried or used, if you could put that information in the comments below, we'd like to look into them.
Yeah. I'll certainly link here. Like I said, I guess it'd be more over here. The Media Mod, as well as the little wired mic the one that we're using. It's not a very long cord, but if it's arm's length from you, it works for that. But as far as I know, the wireless systems, there's a couple different ones we looked at that are all a couple $100.
Yeah, they're pretty expensive.
So definitely more than.
And just getting into it untested.
Yeah,
that's
big gamble.
Right.
And with that, I mean, the Media Mod, having that, you just have the regular GoPro. I mean, you don't really have that option even then. So now you're working with this standalone audio file that you're trying to sync. And
so you got to invest $300 to get a wireless microphone system.
I think that's kind of the conclusion. So I don't know, standalone audio file that you're trying to sync. And
so you got to invest $300 to get a wireless microphone system.
I think that's kind of the conclusion. So I don't know, at that point, are you buying a mirrorless actual vlogging setup with boom? You know, I don't know. I imagine if we invested in the wireless microphones, but let us know what you guys think. Which one sounds better? I'll note on the bottom which microphone you're listening to
At different points in the video.
Yeah.
We'll keep switching back and forth.
Right. So that is, I mean, that's kind of what we have here. Let us know what you guys think, and that should be that. I'm not gonna make this longer than it needs to be, but
Thanks for watching.
Yep.
We'll see you next time.